watch this very carefully, okay? Because this is the hardest part of your challenge. For round 3, all you have to do is locate sa dakila. Slide and... It's a very doing. Sir, but you volunteered for this, remember? It makes you not shooting. No, sir, you have to finish the challenge. Oh, Sky Buddy, sir? Yes! Well, it's a kind of double. Okay, guys, come on, somebody get it back. Come on, guys. Now, Sir Gimwell, do we need some help? Okay lang. Do we need to count? Okay, folks, count me, okay? In 1, 2, 3. Come on, Sir Gimwell, just like and stop. Slide and stop, not to slide and swim like that. Well, folks, I think this is the end of our challenge. A big round of applause for Sir Gimwell. Now, sir,
What happened?
for your cooperation, you've shown us your passion and dedication to be part of the Sea Lion Marine Patrol. And because of that, we have something for you, okay? Because you deserve a fish. Guys, what are you waiting for? You can eat it now. Of course, I'm only kidding. You can give it back to Dakila. Just toss it just like that. Come on, Dakila. There you go. And since you're all wet, you have free shirt, shorts, and slippers from the gift shop. All for free. So, Officer Val, thank you so much. Thank you so much, Auntie Justin and Sir Gimwell. Thank you so much for joining us. Have a nice day. Congratulations. Alright, so moving on. The Marine Patrol is based on teamwork. Let us all imagine it's late at night. Dakila and I are going to search for pointers at a speed reported around this area. And our job is